Hi everybody, Ms. Lee here. Let's go ahead and do an example on how to use the calculator in solving a problem. So find f of 3 given f prime of x equals x times sine of x. And the point 1, -4 on f of x. So what I want you to notice from this problem that's given to you is you are given a derivative and you are given a point. So anytime you see a problem and you look at the information that's given to you and you see a derivative and you see a point, you should recognize that you should be using Fundamental Theorem of Calculus number 3. Okay, so given derivative and a point, you should be using FTC3. So FTC3 states that f of x equals f of a plus the integral from a to x of f prime of t dt. So we will just go ahead and plug each of these things in. So the point a comma f of a, that's 1 comma -4. So we should be plugging this 1 into the a. We should be plugging in the -4 into f of a. And then this f prime of x should be plugged in for f prime of t. So since it says find f of 3, we're actually going to plug in 3 for x as well. So 3 is going in for x. Okay, so we have f of 3 equals f of a, that's -4, plus the integral from 1 to 3 of f prime of t. Well, that's t times sine of t dt. Okay, so just to re-highlight everything. And so we have an expression now that we can plug into our calculators. So we'll do -4 plus math 9. So I'm pressing 9, math 9. And then the integral is from 1 to 3 of, and then you can use x here or you can type t. But since there's no other variables here, we can just go ahead and just type x. So x sine of x, close parentheses, dx. And press enter and we get -1.190. Okay, so in this class, you always round to the third decimal place, so -1.190. So f of 3 equals -1.190. Okay, there you have it. That's an example of how to use Fundamental Theorem of Calculus 3 and using your calculator. Happy day!